Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are well and having a great time. And like me, if you haven't filled in your Google tax info till now, you need to fill it as soon as possible. So you have to log into your Google Adsense account. So after you log into your Google Adsense account, go to payments info and then you will be getting this prompt. Your tax info expires on December 31st, 2024. You may need to withhold up to 30% of your payouts or hold payouts completely until you submit a new tax form and it's approved. So we will go here and click on submit new form. Now here we have to update US tax info. As you can see, my tax information is expiring on the 31st December 2024. So I have a few days left. We have to select YouTube India over here. So we will click on submit new form over here. We have to click on start new form. Click on start form. Now it's loading. Okay. यहाँ पर we need to re-enter our password and click next. You will be re-logged in again for security purposes. So यहाँ पे YouTube India is coming. United States tax info. So I am an individual. So I'll select an individual over here and click next. Are you a citizen of United States? No, I am a citizen of India. So I'll select no. Next. Here we have to select W8BEN form. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals. So we will use this. Start W8BEN form. Alright, so my name has come over here. DBA, this is optional. So I will not select this. Here we've got country. So I'll select India. Foreign tin. If you are an Indian citizen, then you have to fill in your PAN card number. So I'll fill in mine. Then you click on next. After clicking next, you have your permanent address over here. Let's fill in the permanent address is already over here. My mailing address is same as my permanent address, so I'll click this. Then I have to click next. After clicking next, you get this tax treaty section. India and US have a tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? US tax law may impose a 30% withholding tax on payments that are considered US source income. This tax may be reduced or eliminated for any payee that qualifies under a relevant tax treaty. Here I'll just select yes, I am eligible for a reduced withholding rate. Resident of the following country within the meaning of income tax treaty between United States and that country. Now you'll select the country. I am an Indian citizen, so here I'll select India. Special rates. So you select the first one, other copyright royalties. Here we go to Article 12, paragraph 2A. Withholding rate, you put in 15%. Then you click on the next one. As a tax resident of the country identified by Virgie section this whatever. Next, services or other business income, you can click again. Article 7, paragraph 1. Withholding rate, you put in 0. And reason, Rohan Bhatt meets the term of treaty. Motion pictures and TV royalties, here you click this one also and you select 15% again. Then you click this and then you click next. After this we have activities and services performed in the US. No, as I'm a citizen of India, I do not perform any activities in the US. So I'll just select no and certify it and click next. After this, tax reporting system, go paperless. I accept the paperless delivery agreement. Then click next. Document preview. So I confirm that I have reviewed and generated the tax documents to the best of my knowledge. Click next. Then certify and sign. Under the penalties of perjury, I declare that this is so and so. Just click over here. Then unchanged status affidavit. Under this, just click I certify this. I certify under the penalties of perjury. Enter a year from 2016 to present. Present year is 2024. Description and date of each change of tax form. Description and date for each change to tax form. This is optional, so we will leave it. Your signature. I acknowledge that I am signing the tax form. So here you will select yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section here, and your name appears here, full legal name Rohan Bhatt, and then you are going to submit this form. So my tax info has been completed. So as you can see, the status has been approved, and this has been submitted on 21st December 2024 and it expires on 31st December 2027. So I will need to refill this form again before 31st December 2027. So it was as easy as that, and we are done with our YouTube tax info updation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if it was helpful, you can buy me a super thanks. It hardly costs less than a cup of coffee, and it really helps my channel and keeps me motivated. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.